Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to another vlog here in the countryside. Today's video, I want to share with you guys what is the current situation of the outside of the house. As you may have known on the previous video, I have shared with you guys how there is so much grass on the outside and it looks very messy. And I know a lot of you were very concerned in the comments. I was reading you guys' comments and you guys were saying that I should have asked someone to rent a mower and have it mow, or just ask someone to cut it whilst we're away and so on. So actually yesterday, I think you guys have seen as well that my sister and my brother-in-law were right here in this section because they were trying to uproot the grass and they were using shovel and a different kind of knife, and it wasn't a good idea, I would have to say, and that's because if it's going to rain, there's gonna be mud in this section. But the reason why I did not really push through or go with the option of having a mow here in the house is because the owner of the mow was not here, and I didn't know that there is like another person that owns one, so that's why we just decided to go with it. But it turned out that there is actually someone who owned a mower, so that's why, if you guys can see it right now, we were able to have it mowed. So it was here where all of the kids, I think I had like 6 kids over here that was trying to help my sister and my brother-in-law, like getting all of the grass, the really stubborn and overgrown grass in this section. So I think they were only able to finish. Yes? Okay, wait. Someone's selling some fish. No, we're not buying. Okay, go on. Alright, so yeah, they were able to finish this section only, and they were like giving up. So my cousin said, oh, someone actually owns a mower and you could hire him. And I said, okay. So we agreed for a price. Since you cannot really pay them on a daily basis, since you're gonna be renting the mower and you will also pay the owner that will do it, right? And the gasoline as well. So he checked the entire house and actually the outside as well, and he said he cannot really do the outside of the house because if you guys can see over there, it is really overgrown and really long and thick, and he doesn't have the metal kind of blade for his mower, and he just said he's gonna do the inside of the house. So we agreed for a price of 500 pesos or 10 US dollars, or maybe it's now 9 or 8 US dollars, which is not bad at all, I would have to say, because it is quite a big area to do. So he started in this section, and this is how it looks now. I know it looks really different, right, from what it was before. Before, I was even so hesitant to, step on the grass here because there could be some snakes, whatever. I know some of you guys were saying about that as well, so be careful, because once you have overgrown grass, that's when snakes starts to live in there. So yeah, this is how it looks. I know it's still kind of messy. We have just been busy going to the city back and forth because we had to take care of a few things. So yeah, this one we're gonna have to remove these are all the grass over there as well, and here. So if you guys can take a look in this area, this is the area that he cannot mow because there's just so much grass. It's really thick and the blade is not available. You need to have a metal blade so that it will really cut those really thick grass. So yeah, he just did this section pretty much. So now it looks good, I would say. Well, not totally, because there's still so much stuff everywhere. But here, you can already see the house. Before, it was really, really messy. But yeah, so far it's looking good. That area, when I look at it, if you actually go to the main road, you cannot see the house anymore that much. You can only see the roof and that's it. But yeah, I'll show you here on the other side as well, so you guys can take a look how this section is looking. still a bit messy, I would say, because we have these cut boards from before. These vines that are hanging onto the fence, I'm not sure what are we gonna do with it. I think I will have to pay someone that will actually remove them or like cut them using a machete. That's how it would work because the mow cannot do it. Here in this section, he kind of did it here as well, but there's actually not much he could do because there's just like remnants from the previous house rebuild. So we have, you know, some of these woods. Here we have some roof that was left out as well. So he cannot really go there and remove all of those because it's just gonna hit, you know, the wood and so on. Now here in this section as well, he was trying to do it. They just pretty much like grab it and remove it. But as you guys can see, the top is still hanging in there. But I think they will die in a few days because they're not connected to the main route anymore. But yeah, we're gonna have to take care of that alone. And then here in this section, he also did it as well. So that's good. There's so much stuff everywhere if you guys can see. But yeah, here, as you guys can see, he did this. Before, there was a lot of stuff in there. I didn't even want to go there. And here we come to the terrace area. And this is how it looks. So it's now good. But yeah, the vines are still really in there. I need to ask maybe my uncle to remove all of the vines. But actually, it kind of looked good and not. It looks messy if you look at it, but at the same time, it looks nice because it's green and it's like, yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below if I should remove them or not. But yeah, this is how it looks now, actually. If you look at it in this side, it looks really nice now. I mean, cleaner than what it was before. I know a lot of you guys have suggested to cement this area over here so that when it rains, it's not gonna get muddy, or do a footpath from that section where the garage is going to the house or beside the house as well. We're not gonna do that for now. We'll leave it as what it is for now, okay? By the way, the plants are alive and kicking. They're actually surviving. As you know, it's monsoon in the Philippines. It has been raining when we were away, so that's why they're alive, all of them actually. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I just laid them all in here so that we have some green in this section because it's all white. So this is how it is, everyone. Quite happy that, you know, it's already good to walk on. I don't feel nervous to walk around outside because there's not much grass anymore. So you can see every little thing that will crawl or walk or whatever. So that's good. We can already play badminton in this section as well. And if you guys would like to watch that, you can go to our channel, Tom and Meljean. This is pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video. Want to share with you what is the current progress. So again, next time I need to hire someone that could really, or that owns a machete or maybe a mower that has the metal blade so that he could work on that. Well, my mom actually told me that we should use this. I know someone actually laughed at me when I said there's like a medicine that you put in, you mix with water and then you spray it in the weeds and it's just gonna die down forever. Maybe it's not called medicine. No, it's not. Pesticide. Yeah, weed killer. It's called pesticide. What am I thinking? Yeah, that's right. So yeah, I will have someone to do that. Maybe I'll go with what mom said. But she said it's gonna take 1 week to die down and then it's not gonna grow anymore. So I think that's the best idea than, you know, paying someone every 1-2 weeks to do it. So yeah, this is it, guys. I'm quite happy. We are slowly going back to normal, actually. So now we are here in the inside and I just want to share with you guys something. So I am now trying to do some decor here on the inside of the house. Just a little bit, actually. I don't want to do it too much. I just want to make it simple and minimalist. So I think I have already asked you guys in my community page as to what should I put in this section right here. So if you guys can take a look, this area is very empty and I just want to put something in there. So please comment below if should I put there an art and photo album or shelves or painting, whatever it is. If you guys have any idea, please comment it below. I would love to know it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm just trying to decorate the house, but actually needs a lot of cleaning still. I need to clean the windows. What else? A lot. Well, the terrace as well. I need to clean the terrace and just remove all of the, you know, little stuff that I actually don't need and use here in the house, because it's time to declutter. I don't need any of those stuff since we are back to traveling now. So we want to make sure that when we come back here, all of the stuff that we only need are here, and we don't want to have some things that is just gonna accumulate dust and dirt. All right, anyway guys, this is just a really quick video. I just really want to share with you the aftermath of the mowing that we did here outside of the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, comment below if you guys have any vlog suggestions. I would love to know it. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.